What is the maximum amount of money I can place into a UTMA account? That's a uniform transfers to minors account. A lot of people use it for their kids, custodian account to build wealth for them with the Roth IRA, not with the Roth IRA, but with a UTMA to purchase stocks, purchase assets, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, all of the great stuff like that. And somebody asked the question, how much money can I put in there? What is the max? So exactly, I'm going to tell you what that max is and it point to you to some IRS stipulations. But first, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, hit that like, comment, and share button. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and children of all ages, you are now tuned into the Investor Show. As always, this is your gracious host, the Prince of Investing, Prince Dykes, coming to you guys and girls live all the way from the beautiful city and state of Denver, Colorado. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, comment, and share button. And as always, I don't have a lot of time, and I definitely know you guys and girls don't have a lot of time, so we're going to jump straight into it. How much money can I put into a UTMA account? This is a uniform transfer minors account. Now, right here, it would tell you that there is no limits on the annual contributions. There are no limits. Now, the thing you got to be careful of is there are tax implications if you go over the gift tax threshold. So for 2020, the gift tax threshold is $15,000. That means that if you give away or put away money or give away money to somebody that's over $15,000, that is not when you're expecting a return, you can fall into the gift tax category. Now I'm going to be the first to tell you here, please contact a tax professional to get with you. I am not a tax professional. Get with a CPA to sit down with you and to kind of break it down in your particular situation, what you're trying to do. But as a rule of thumb of 2020, the gift tax limit is $15,000. So if you give, if you can put up to $15,000 into an account and avoid the gift tax. If you do over $15,000, then you can avoid fall into the gift tax, right? So that's the only thing. You can put as much money as you want into it, but if you put more than the gift tax limit, you could fall into the gift tax laws. Now here's a resource. You can head on over here to the irs.gov. This is coming directly from the irs.gov. This is where I got the information from. I'm going to drop this link below, by the way. And this kind of breaks down who pays the gift tax, what is considered a gift tax. May I deduct the gift tax from my tax return? Also, let's say if you have a child, if myself, I can give $15,000 to my son, and my wife can give $15,000 to my son, making it $30,000 together. So if you do anything like land or anything like that that you pass over to a child, you can fall into the gift tax laws. So this got a pretty good thing. What is fair market value? The IRS.gov, if you go look up under the gift tax, it would tell you. But for 2020, it's $15,000. I remember a couple years ago it was $14,000. So you can give away up to $15,000 into a UTMA. Just be not just a UTMA in general, but to anybody, right? Even though you can give as much as you want, but if you give over that threshold, you could be falling into taxes. So now if you're with your wife or whatever the case may be, y'all both have the limit, but also be very careful and be mindful of the gift tax law that I won't say it's a law, but IRS code that you can fall up under. All right. So just keep in mind, you can give whatever you want to give to UTMA account. They tell you the contributions are unlimited, but you got to be wary of the gift tax. All right, gift tax, irs.gov. Check the link below. Until the next video podcast, cartoon, or whatever else crazy you see me around the globe, this is the Investor Show. And I'm Prince Dykes, and I'm out. Peace.